What if I told you that you can always get whatever you want or something better? Never have to deal with disappointment or the feeling of being let down after you've gone after something. Someone said, if you put in the pain of discipline now, you won't have to deal with the pain of disappointment later. Jim is about to show you 5 easy and quick steps to getting whatever you want. Let's get right into it. Here is Jim Rohn.
5 simple steps to go from average to fortune. You might like to make a note of them. Here's the first one. Get serious. That's number 1. I don't know any substitute for that. You've really got to get serious. You don't have to be grim, but you must be serious. To go from average to fortune, you must get serious. And you must get serious about 2 very important things. Number 1 is setting your goals and where you want to go. Designing the next 5, the next 10 years is so vitally important. What do you want to do economically? Where do you want to go? What do you want to be? What would you like to have? What would you like to share? How much would you like to earn? How far would you like to go? Those are some major questions to ask. Then you have to get serious about another important subject. And that important subject is called personal development. Personal development is striving hard to become the kind of person that you want to be. And to become the kind of person you want to be, you've got to work at it. 10 years from now, you will surely become someone. The big question is, who? 10 years from now, you will surely arrive. And the question is, where? Now, the second point is, get smart. To make your life work out worthwhile, you've got to have some ideas. You've got to have the information. So you've got to be smart. And if you will read the books, learn from your experiences, do all the things that you possibly can to get the information, sure enough, you'll be wiser this year than you were last year. You just must keep up this steady process of learning. Never cease your quest for knowledge. And that's one of the key points to go from average to fortune. Get smart. Now here's number 3. You've got to get going. All of the things that you've learned will not do you that much good if you don't put it into an action plan. You've got to get going. In my management and leadership seminar, we teach game plans, how to put all the good things that you've learned into action. Economic action, social action, personal action. How to make the changes and how to actually do the work, how to actually function. Get going, that's the key. Some people are ever learning, but they don't put it into action. They don't really take the action. It's like the man who keeps bringing materials to the building site and never builds anything. You've got to do something with what you've learned. You've got to take action. You've got to get going. Get going. It's a major key. Now here's number 4. You must get excited. And not just the false enthusiasm of just pure positive thinking. You've got to get excited over some very basic things. One is, get excited over your ability to make yourself do the necessary things. Because discipline is major step 1 toward personal progress. And anytime a person wishes to, they can make major changes in their life, personally and socially and financially. It doesn't ever have to be the same after today. No telling what you could do today if you really wish to. What I would ask you to do, starting today, is get excited about committing an act. An act that's positive, an act that's constructive, to make the changes in your life that you want made, and to go the direction that you want to go. So that's number 4, get excited. Number 5 is get away. I have found, especially in the last 15, 20 years, that there's an important thing called life balance. You've got to learn to get away. You must learn to get away and be alone. Learn to get away and reflect. Get away. Take the time. Reflect on your life. Recharge your batteries. Do some growing away from your enterprise. Then when you come back to your enterprise, after you have taken this time to balance your life, you will find that on the job, working on your enterprise, things will really go much better. So those are the 5 simple steps to go from average to fortune. Get serious, get smart, get going, get excited, and get away.
Okay, so what did we learn? We learned the 5 gets. Get serious, get smart, get going, get excited, and get away. Get serious. Nothing is important to anyone else until first it's a priority and important to you. Get smart. Make your life work by making your brain learn. Get going. Nothing you think about or learn is worth anything until you put the thoughts into action and do something. Get excited. Think about the end result as if it's already happened now. Don't think about being rich in the future. Use your imagination 5 minutes a day and think as if the goal is already reached and you are rich right now. And get away. Take time to get somewhere you can reflect on your past and plan the future you want. You don't have to go on some expensive, exotic trip around the world. Maybe go to the local park on your lunch break, after work, or on a weekend. Find somewhere you can get away. Do these 5 things consistently and you will definitely get the life you've always wanted. Thanks for listening and watching. Share this video with someone you care about. Help us inspire 1 million people to get past their give up point and win with these quotes and stories of inspiration. Click the like and subscribe buttons. Also click the bell icon so you are notified of new content. Consider becoming a Patreon. Your donation monthly can help us inspire millions of people around the world. Link is below in the description. Now, here are a few more videos that will definitely inspire you to win.